This is the Conspiracy palette. So pretty! Already swatched them. Hello everyone, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to create a look using this palette right here. I snagged one and I snagged one of these two. So I got it as a package from Beautylish. It came in so quick. Came in Tuesday, so they released it on Friday, and I got both of them in the mail Tuesday. Alright, so I know that you guys know already about these palettes right here. You've probably saw so many videos about it, and you followed Shane's videos like me. So I'm just gonna go right into the tutorial. So today I created two looks. This is the fun look right here, and this is my everyday natural look. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you like this video. Stay tuned. I already prepped my face and I am ready to go for the eyeshadows. This is metal, and I want that, and I want to take it off and put it on my phone, the back of my phone. Ah. All right, with my Luxie 231, I'm going to start using right here, this pink right here. It's called Pigment. All right, so I'm just gonna put that on my crease. I'm gonna go for two different looks so we can try more shadows that way. It's the same matte formula from Jeffree Star as I remember. Next, with the same brush, I'm going to get Flaming Hot right here. This is like neon red. Next, I'm gonna get Trisha with the same brush, Barbie Pink Metallic. With my Morphe E22, I'm going to blend these colors. And then I'm gonna extend that, whatever's left on the brush, under my eye. I'm gonna get a little bit of Flaming Hot and put it under here. All right, next, I'm gonna get this Morphe primer. It's in black, Morphe Eyelid Primer. I'm gonna get a flat brush. This one is, I got it from an art shop. So I'm gonna cut crease. I'm gonna look up, and there we go. I'm trying to be gentle and precise because it's black. You don't want to mess this up. That's it. All right, next I'm gonna get a packer brush. This is from Swatch, and I'm gonna get this Illuminati right here. It's so pretty. This is a metallic black green. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dab it wherever I put the black primer. So pretty. It's already have fallout, but it's okay. This kind of shadow, the more you swipe it, like you blend it, the more it gets shiny, and the more you press it on a creamy wet base, the more it's going to be very, very vivid, true to color. Okay, so I'm just gonna get another flat brush. This is a tinier brush. This one is from Alamar, and I'm gonna get Illuminati again. With a detail pencil blender, I'm going to get Illuminati and try to blend a little bit of the line right here because I don't want a harsh line. I just want it smooth. So I didn't blend right at the inner corner, just the outer corner here and on top. And then I'm gonna go back with the pink brush, Luxie 231, and go back right here, blend. I'm being really gentle because I'm just gonna pat it right here on my eye and see if there's gonna be a difference. Not really. So brushes, it works with brushes. You don't have to use your fingers necessarily. For those who doesn't like applying eyeshadow on their lids with your finger, this palette will work. Okay, next I'm gonna get more Illuminati and put that under my... God, I put it in my eye. Don't do that. Some of the Jeffree Star eyeshadow makes my eye burn when I'm putting it because the metallic. Alright, so I got a lot of fallout. I'm just gonna swipe it out. All Jeffree Star metallic hurts my inner corner. When it flies in my eye, it stings, but it goes away. All right, with my Sephora crayon contour, this is the waterproof eyeliner. This one is in Good Mood. I'm gonna put it in my waterline. So pretty. It's the same color as Illuminati. Okay, I'm gonna get another pencil brush right here, and then I'm gonna get Trisha. Trisha is the metallic Barbie right here, to blend with the green. I think this is such a beautiful shade. I'm gonna put that under my eye as well. Next, I'm gonna get a white concealer. This one is from ColourPop, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it, because I want the next color to shine like really nicely. With another pencil brush, a detail pencil brush, guess what? I'm gonna get Food Video. I'm gonna get Food Video and put it in the inner corner of my eye, right where I put white concealer. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more of Illuminati to extend it as well. Kinda want that V shape here. Okay, with my Morphe E22, no product, just blend with a small detail brush here. This one is the RT 302. I'm going to put the shade right here, Just a Theory, and put that here. Just a little bit. It's very pigmented, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay, next I'm going to line my eyes. My mascara. To tone it down a little, I got My Pills. So I got My Pills right here with a JH41, and I tone it down just like on top here. Looking crazy right now, but it's gonna be better. All right, next in the other eye, I'm going to create an everyday look out from this palette. All right, with my Morphe M433, I'm gonna get Tanacon. I like this shade. It's very good. It's a very good transition shade. You think it's really light on the pan, but when you apply it, it's not that light. Okay, next I'm gonna get Root Beer. Diet Root Beer, excuse me. And I'm gonna put that here, the outer corner of my eyes, of my crease. So pretty. Oh, I love Diet Root Beer. It's so pretty. All right, next I'm going to get Spiraling right here, right there. And I'm gonna put that in the outer corner of my eyes right here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get paint pot a little bit and prime it. I'm not gonna be precise. You don't have to be precise because this is an everyday look. And I'm gonna blend a little bit in the outer. This is the M506. I'm gonna get Spiraling again. See, it's so much better and it's not falling out. It's not flying everywhere. So pretty. And then I'm going to blend outer corner right here. Next, I'm going to get Just a Theory right here. This one is the Moda Pro BMX 402 smudger. I'm just gonna get Just a Theory right here and put that right here in the inner corner of my eye. So pretty. Yes. This is the prettiest. I'm gonna bring that Just a Theory right here under the inner corner of my eye. Very, very pretty. Okay, I love this look. small detail brush right here. This is the JH39 from Morphe. I'm gonna get spiraling again and put that right under my, okay, hold on, under my eye right here. I'm gonna get Diet Root Beer with the same brush, Diet Root Beer, and I'm going to smudge this right under spiraling here. Done with this eye. Branch is right here. I'm gonna use the Moda Pro again and put that in the inner corner of my eye to make it pop more. Oh, that is pretty. I'm gonna get some more and put that under my brows. My brow, just one. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger to blend it. Also, gonna go back with the first brush that I used to blend. Alright, so that is done. Put my Glamnetic eyeliner. Okay, that's good. Mascara is next. I hate when that happens. I got mascara on my nose and I have to let it dry. I'm gonna put lashes. For my colorful look, I'm going to put Lust Lash from Glamnetic. Alright. So easy. That's it. That's all I need to do. Just stick it. And then for my everyday look, I'm going to use Love Lash. So easy. Alright, for my eyeliner in the waterline, I put this LA Ultimate. This one is in the shade Super Bright. Okay, I'm gonna finish my face and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is what I created. For my lips, I used Leo from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I also highlighted it with KKW Beauty lip liner in 0. So I put that to add a little dimension. This is the colorful look that I created. I used Illuminati and all the pinks in the palette. Also food video to highlight here. I had so much fun creating this look. I don't do so much colors on my eyes. I don't like a lot of colors, but having this palette makes me create this look. It's kind of fun and I like it. I like it. I can do this. I can go out and wear this. With my everyday look, this is what I created and I love it so much. So I used Tanacon Diet Root Beer, spiraling here, and in the inner corner I used Just a Theory plus Ranch here and under my brows. That came out so well. I'm so impressed. This is like me. This is my everyday glam look that I would go for using this palette, and this is like a different side of me. If you guys don't have Glamnetic yet, guys, use my code Swatch Queen. They're so easy to put, so easy to take off, and they don't snatch your eyelashes off, your natural eyelashes, because you don't wear glue. They're so easy to use. If you guys want to know what I use for my face, I'm gonna list all the products that I use today in the description box, so check that out. So today I didn't use this palette, the Mini Controversy, but there's another day to use it. If you want to see me use this Mini Controversy palette, comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see and I will do it. Also, if you want more looks from the Conspiracy palette, let me know. Alright, so what I think about the palette. This palette right here, I think it's brilliant. The colors, you think that they would not go with each other. Like, using them is difficult, but it's actually pretty good. There are so many looks that you can do with this palette. just these right here, you can do a lot of smoky look. Just this green right here without the pink would be so pretty. Neutral, natural lovers. That's the first right here. I don't want to repeat what everybody says, but it's a good palette. It's Jeffree Star eyeshadows and they're brilliant. It is true that he mastered his formula and the quality is there. Every shadow is well created. Even the mini controversy palette, every shadow is well created and the quality is really good. I recommend this palette. It is a collection item, of course. If you guys don't have it, don't worry. The collection is going to be permanent at Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This controversy palette, only one is duplicated from the conspiracy palette, only Diet Root Beer. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I swatched the colors comparing these shadows, like these shadows, to other Jeffree Star palettes. Check out my story on Instagram and see the shades that are similar to the other shades from Jeffree Star palettes. Like Simulation right here is very similar to Deceased. On Blue Blood palette, Controversy is very similar to a shade in the Blood Sugar palette. Flaming Hot would be similar to a lot of shades in other Jeffree Star palettes. Illuminati, there is one shadow on the Alien palette that is similar to this, the Probe, but they're not the same. My Rides here, there's a similar shade in the Alien palette, which is Black Hole. Trisha has a similar shade, Jawbreaker, which is Cotton Candy, but they're different, but very similar. From the Thirsty palette, there is a very similar shade to Diet Cola called Divine. So check out my Instagram and don't forget to follow me. If you guys have any questions about these palettes, shoot me a message on my Instagram or leave a comment down below. Like that. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's so much fun. I can put the neon yellow right here. Alright, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give it also a thumbs up for the Conspiracy palette. Congratulations, Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. These are very good palettes. I love them. Thank you so much for watching.